In this video, I'll show you how to enable the new voice isolation feature on an iPhone running iOS 18. Follow these steps carefully and make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. The voice isolation feature blocks ambient noises to make your voice clearer during phone calls or FaceTime calls. To turn it on, you first need to be in a live phone call. Start by calling someone from your iPhone. Wait for the person to answer. You can call a family member or friend. Once the call is connected, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. At the top right, under the notch, you'll see the phone controls button. Tap it, then select the voice isolation option by tapping it once. The feature will now be enabled and your iPhone will prioritize your voice, making it loud and clear during calls. That's how you enable voice isolation on iOS 18 and later. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.